Hello everybody. If you watched my video from a couple of days ago, you saw I had high hopes that President-elect Trump was going to make Michelle Reed the education secretary, and my dreams were shot down today, and I didn't see this one coming at all because I just wasn't looking in the right place. This is going to be your next education secretary. Her name is Betsy DeVos. Let me see if I can increase the size of this a little bit. There you go. There she is. That's her. And basically, Trump kind of went the billionaire route. So the T74million.org is a website that talks about school choice, a lot of things related to education. And they've got some facts here about who is Betsy DeVos. Betsy DeVos. She's a passionate school choice advocate. DeVos helps fund or lead several organizations. She sits on the board of a Jeb Bush-led reform group. She founded and runs the American Federation for Children. So she's a chairwoman of AFC, which is a lobbying group for state choice programs. Let me just say this. If you like vouchers, you're going to love Betsy DeVos because I think that's where this is all headed. She's devoted to Michigan. She is the daughter of a successful industrialist and married to Richard DeVos, an heir to the Amway direct sales fortune. They're worth more than $5 billion. So basically, Trump went the billionaire route. She's a Republican Party stalwart, donated $44 million to support Michigan's Republican Party since 1997, according to Mother Jones. She supports lifting standards, but not via the Common Core. So I've read dozens, probably 100 articles about Common Core. I couldn't explain it to you if I had to. I'm not sure that it makes a difference. She and Mike Pence go way back. Although DeVos was not immediately sold on Trump, she and the American Federation for Children have long supported Pence and his work on school choice. Pence expanded the school's voucher program into one of the largest in the country. So if you don't know what a voucher is where the local school district writes you a check, and you can take that check to pay for whatever type of education you want. In a private school, in a parochial school, you could use it to pay for tuition in another district. And some people think it's a great idea, others think it's very controversial. Either way, hang on to your hats, it's coming. And that's kind of the story of Betsy DeVos, November 23rd, 2016. If you like this video or the other things that I've been working on, please click that subscribe button. It makes a big difference and it would mean a lot to me. Thank you, everybody.